'cause I'm over you. I am over you. Yeah, I'm over you. Or at least I
So we're heading to the next destination, second place, second island. We're gonna see the big dragon shooting the Komodo, and let's do it. Oh,
This is your captain speaking.
aye aye, Captain. Yeah, finally we have reached this island, Reach Island. So another 15 minutes walk. It says, welcome to the Komodo Island. Yeah. So we are here in Komodo Island, in Reach Island, and we are looking for a dragon, and we have to stay quiet. Let's go. Yo, what a wondrous day you are. But I feel sorry for you, cause you're gonna be there at breakfast, bro. Whoa. So we thought Komodo is resting or sleeping, cause it looks like it is laying its body down to the ground comfortably. But certainly and maybe they are in a position to get ready to attack us. Only in condition we approach them.
Go, bro. Closer, man.
This is crazy. Everyone got so quiet right now. Yo. So the rangers say they can only eat once a month, but a whole body of a buffalo sure can make their belly full enough. They are insane. We're coming again. Whoa, check this out, guys. Look at the view. Oh my god. Alright, and now we're going back to the boat and let's go to another place. Let's say goodbye to our friends in here. Bye bye, Komodos. We'll see you again some other time. Kevin Hart. Kevin Hart. Aku stokin nanti. Well, it was a fun trip anyway. And now we are on the move to the next island. We will sail up to 1 hour and gonna see thousands of bats will come out. But before that, let's have some fun.
Positive vibe, you know?
Jadi kata
Here we go!
See, one day living in the boat had been completed. Our daytime is running out and the brightness of the sky is starting to change its color. The sun is going to sleep while the moon is starting to wake up. I spent time with my friends in here and made unforgettable moments with them. Should I say that this is a precious thing? Spending time with them, the moments, the times, the memories, is worth a fortune, I guess. So this beautiful scenery, this is gonna be our end show today. So let's watch it together.
There's something wonderful.
This is crazy, man. Look at those flying bats. There are so many. 5,000 of bats are coming out of the cave and they are looking for food. This is insanely beautiful.
Wait a minute,
Yo,
wait a while.
morning guys.
Scared of falling out.
Yo.
Take me
Though it is a day trip. We're waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Temperature is really low. It feels so cold, so windy, and we're gonna climb up the mountain again. We're gonna hike. We're gonna see the sunrise. Let's see what we get today.
There'll be ups and downs, highs
Oh
and
damn! No! Come on, man. The sun is already coming up. We gotta move fast.
keep on trying.
Too many stairs, bro. You know, the final spot is way too far from here. We're not sure we're gonna make it to the top, but we can make some videos in here.
Something wonderful.
Oh my god, the view is killing me. Wow. I wasn't expecting that I could reach here and get to see the view from the highest spot. This is so gorgeous. Yo, check this out, dude. Guess what I found? This might be a balancing artist who put these stones together just before we got here.
He has a great sense of art.
Alright, let's go back to the boat and get ready for the best spot for today. We're going to the beach. Bye bye. Bye bye. Pink Beach, my friends. And this is the most unique place I've ever seen. So these sands are literally pink. This happened because the red coral fragments were destroyed by the waves. Okay, let's take out your snorkeling equipment and I will present you to the world of the sea. Are you ready? Let's go! So this is the beauty of the water world. My first spending time to dive under the sea. It amazed me. But I got more amazed when we moved to a different spot. This is what we were waiting for. This is what we are looking for. And when we got there, it made me want to dive a little bit deeper. What's up guys, so we're gonna back home, we're heading back home, packed up everything up. Tomorrow will be our flight back home to Jakarta. This holiday could be the best, amazing trip and an unforgettable moment. Thank you to Travel Society, introduced me to a new place, new people, new cultures and new experiences. Thanks a lot, you're awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place. Thank you, bro. So, the best thing that I achieved on this trip is not about the view or the nature or something like it. Places you've never been before. There is something more important than that. Something precious, something like part in my storyline. Of course, I can pull it off, and I'll always be hold on to it. You know what I'm talking about, right? This is insanely beautiful. Oh my god, the view is killing me. What's up? Kevin Hart. So don't you ever leave your friends behind. Because one day, you'll need them.